Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bankrate affiliate links for savings comparisons, complete guide step by step. To activate Bankrate affiliate links for savings comparisons, look for the sign up button and click it to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required information on the application form, including your name, email address, and any relevant personal details. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program before submitting your application. Once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation email containing your affiliate account details. Log in to your Bankrate affiliate account using the credentials provided in the email. Navigate to the Links or Marketing Tools section in your affiliate dashboard. Search for the specific savings comparison tools or products you wish to promote. Click on the desired link to generate your unique affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link to your clipboard for easy access. Next, integrate the affiliate link into your content, whether on a website, blog, or social media platform. Provide context to your audience about the savings comparison tool to enhance engagement. To track your performance, regularly log in to your affiliate dashboard. Monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings through the analytics provided. Stay updated on Bankrate's promotions and tools by checking their affiliate resources. This will help you optimize your approach and increase your potential earnings. Always ensure to comply with advertising guidelines when sharing affiliate links. By following these steps, you will successfully activate your Bankrate affiliate links for savings comparisons. Start promoting and let your audience benefit from informed financial decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.